Hello everyone, and welcome to my bathroom. Nothing for anything untoward, but I have brought a couple of pieces of trim. I just stuck them in the bath, and this is one of them. I've just sprayed this section so it looks a little bit cleaner, but it's this. This is what it all looked like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the Demon fabric cleaner that I've been using, and if the camera would focus, thank you very much. And also solution in this, which is 100 mils of Bio-D Home and Garden Sanitiser, and the rest of it just cold water. The directions are that I should only use 50. So I'm now going to test the Demon fabric against the diluted Bio-D Home and Garden Sanitiser. First we will use the Demon fabric. There we go. Put it, move this other piece of trim out for the time being. So, straight it down here. There we go. And give that, just hold it in place. You still see it? Yep. Squirt that in. Okay. Let that soak in for a few moments. Now, to use the Bio-D. Okay. Now I've got a clean cloth. Give it some hot water. It's a little bit greyish, but I promise you it has been cleaned. Okay, let's wipe. I mean, look at that already. Well, I'd say it's done pretty well. Now the cloth has been cleaned, I moved myself out of the way, and you can see the difference. But this is what we're now concerned with. So, cleaned cloth. And wow, the Demon Clean, it was a light grey, that is a dark grey. Leave the hot water running. This is really getting the dirt out. In fact, it looks better. We've got this section in between, which hasn't had any cleaner, so this is just, well, a combination really, I suppose, of the Demon Clean and the Bio-D. I'd prefer to have used the multi-surface cleaner, but don't have it in at the moment. Oh yeah, that's coming out. Well, just after a first pass, it's a lot different from what it was, but looking at the greyness left behind the Demon Clean, I'm not sure it's picking up on the camera, versus, there we go, I'll get the light, and now, yeah, you still in real life see a grey film where the Demon Cleaner was. So I'm going to carry on with the Bio-D dilution and I'll get back to you.